Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Shoe Game. I haven't picked up any shoes in a while because I'm trying to calm down because I was going broke buying shoes. But I have picked up another pair. I'm gonna show you guys. I just picked this up. And so today we have the Air Jordan 1. This is a mid. I've been picking up a lot of retros lately. We're back on a mid. It is the Air Jordan 1 Mid S Special Edition Craft Inside Out. So this is actually probably going to be my favorite mid I have now. So I got my favorite retro, my favorite mid for the ones. My favorite ones are probably the Rebellionaires. These are going to be my favorite retro ones. They're going to be the Rebellionaires or the highs. My favorite mid is definitely going to be these. Let me explain why. One is probably the most complex mid I've ever seen. We have a lot of stuff going on here, so I'm gonna break all of that down for you. But show you out of the box. Look at that. It's got a lot of neutral tones, a lot of neutral colors. Come with the gray alternate laces, so y'all already know that the right shoe is gonna get the gray laces. So here's what we got going on with this shoe. First off, the initial release date was in April. We didn't get these in until about 2 weeks ago, so like late July. They retail for $135. The interesting thing about these, since they're special edition, they retail for $135. The interesting thing about this shoe is the resale market is very volatile. So I look at a bunch of different websites to see what the market value on the shoe is. Currently, this is as the day that I'm recording it on August 12th, 2022. As of today, it's very wide range. I've seen some places selling them a size 12. This is a size 12 for $160, $175, and also some places selling them for $240. So the range on these bad boys is pretty big because they're different, especially it's a mid. It looks like a retro. I feel like from afar you can't really tell it's a mid, but this is a mid. It's not even a retro. But here's what we got going on. So we have a bunch of different materials going on. So here, you can hear that? This is like a vinyl material here. We got a nubuck material type of here, as well as here. But on this toe, it's not the vinyl, it's your standard leather right here. And then the Nike sign is also like a vinyl type material. Then you have the foam right here by the top of the shoe, as well as the tongue has the opening foam, kind of how you see on like some of the Blazers, how they have the exposed tongue or exposed material at the top, which you have here. And on the inside, we have an orange insole with the Jordan logo, the Jumpman logo. And we also have some more suede type of nubuck right here. And then the Jordan stamp is on the heel and not on the sides like most Jordan 1s have. For example, let me see. I'm wearing some mids right now. So you see most Jordans, you're gonna have this stamp on the side. But this is on the back because I've heard that because these are called crafts, they're actually made to where if you want, this is what I've heard, it's a rumor, that you can actually cut this part and make it a low because the Jordan lows have the logo right here. And that's what this line is for right here. Apparently you can cut it along this line right here to make it a low. Now, I don't like lows, so I'm not gonna do that. That's what we have going on. It's a lot of stuff. I mean, you have the off-white like cream here. This bottom is gray. We got the stitching on the Nike logo. We got white, more off-white, more grayish brown, a cream. And then you got the gray laces. Now here's why this is one of my favorite, it's gonna be my favorite shoe. One, the details, the complexity. It looks if you look at pictures online, it looks 10 times better in person. Second, it looks very similar to the off-white Jordan 1s, the white off-white Jordan 1s. I'm not saying they're definitely not off-whites, but they're very similar. And that's one of my dream shoes, the Off-White Jordan 1. So because it's similar and it's close and it's that same type of color scheme as the white Off-White, I forget the technical name for it, but it's the white version. There's the Chicago's, there's the UNC's, and there's the white ones. They look very similar to the white ones. And you have these stitching right here. But I love the shoe. It is automatically my favorite mid as of right now. And I'm gonna put them on, I'm gonna do the laces, put them on feet, and then show you guys what they look like on foot. All right, I put them on. Some quick things before I show you what they look like. These shoes are extremely comfortable. They're a lot more comfortable than normal ones because their insole is softer. And I have my Zoom Comforts, so they have like this foam on the side. So I didn't show you guys, but right here it's foam. So it's almost like they mixed in a regular mid with a comfort. So it almost seems like a mix of both your standard Jordan 1 and the Jordan 1 Comforts. So they're super comfortable. Here's what they look like on feet. I love them. Absolutely love them. Another thing I'm also gonna say is, since they're made out of a bunch of different materials and it's not just one like solid leather or solid tumble leather or vinyl, some parts of the shoe are kind of stiff. So if you're trying them on, or if you're somewhere and you're thinking about getting them and they don't have your size, I would not go down in a size. So if you wear a size 12 and you can normally wear a size 11.5, you might be fine. But if you wear a size 12 and you would go up to a 12.5, but they don't have that, I would not go down to a 11.5. I wouldn't settle for a smaller size. I would try to get the size that you typically wear, or maybe go up. Going up also might be a problem because they are Jordan 1. So to me, they run a little longer than a lot of shoes. They don't run as quite as big as Air Forces, but I do think they run a little bigger than obviously like your 270s or your Prestos or Free Runs. So I don't know if going up or down would work, or going up would work, but definitely don't go down because they are kind of stiff in certain spots. But the overall shoe, it's comfortable and I love them. But just kind of giving you guys notes like that. If you're thinking about getting them and they don't have your size, you might have to figure something else out, or you might have to take an L on some resale prices or choose a more expensive one. But it's up to you. But let me know what you guys think. I love the alternate gray on them, and we'll catch you guys next time.